So, I'm back again. I thought today, since I've got to get ready to go out somewhere, I would do a get ready with me / everyday makeup routine. I seem to have two different everyday makeup routines depending on how much time I have. They're basically the same look, but one of them has a lot more eye makeup, and that's the one that I'm gonna do today. I thought that I'd do this because my makeup routine has changed quite a lot since I did it for the rehearsal makeup video that I did quite a while ago. So I thought I'd do an updated version. Also, when I came to Winchester, I didn't think to bring any hairbands that weren't fancy dress, so today we are stuck with these. Also, why the spot at the top of my nose chose to come out today, I'll never know. I still start my makeup routine with the NSPA Mango and Passion Fruit Body Butter. I just use this as a base because it's very tacky and I find that the foundation really sticks to it. Next, for my foundation, I am using the Rimmel Lasting Radiance in Light Porcelain because I don't really need a lot of coverage. Mainly because I want it to look natural, but also because I do wear this when I dance sometimes and I don't want it to be really cakey on my face. I am also aware that you shouldn't really put this straight on your face, but this is what I do. For my powder, I use the Natural Collection. So pale it doesn't want to show up. Yay! The Natural Collection Matte Pressed Powder in Neutral. Because it only costs $1.99 and it's a powder. It does what powder's supposed to do. I'm not going to spend a load of money on one that doesn't work when I can spend $1.99 on this. And I use this No. 7 brush to put this on my face. I don't know what it's called. Next, for my bronzer, I use the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer, which has been used a lot, very much at pan. And to put this on, I use this brush, which is the sole remaining thing that I have from my very, very brief attempt at selling makeup. It's a company called New Skin, and this is the only thing that survived that. It's still not even the best brush, if I'm honest, but I can't afford another one. It'll do. Cue me getting stabbed in the eye. I put quite a lot of bronzer on because then I go back in with the No. 7 brush and I brush over it to get off anything that hasn't already stuck down. Next up, we have the Brow Kit Shape and Define in Medium to Dark by Barry M, which is a new one today, so that's going to be satisfying. It looks so pretty. Then I'm going to go back to this other Natural Collection one that I have that has very much been used and has had a bit of an accident, and I'm going to go around the eyebrows. The Barry M kit does give you a shade in which to do this, but I just find it works better when it's your actual skin tone instead of really white. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of powder still around my eyebrows, so you use the powder brush to just go around it and wipe it off. Next up is highlighter. This did say MUA Makeup Academy Undress Your Skin, but as you can see, I have used it so many times, and it has also had a bit of an accident. Went home for the weekend, got there, tried to do my makeup, and found this. I have it in the shade Iridescent Gold, and I have no memory of where I got this brush from, but this one. It's a good thing I'm wearing a pyjama shirt because that just got everywhere. Oh, I need to use that again. As I said, I've still got to use the highlighter for my inner corner and just underneath the eyebrow on the brow bone. And then to get rid of the excess, we're going around with this again. What's next? Eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm using one of my favourite palettes, which is the Soph with Revolution, which looks like that. My eye makeup brushes will be a mixture of Urban Decay and some cheap ones that I picked up made out of bamboo. Firstly, I'm going to go in with the shade Penguin just all over my eyelid. Then with a different brush, I'm going to go in with Tiramisu or Cup of Tea. Or Peaches. Cup of Tea. I'm going to go in with Cup of Tea, just going up and around the corner. I like to blend this colour quite far up. With the same brush that you used for Penguin, you're now going to go in with Cloudberry and go over the base of Penguin. I find that putting the Penguin colour underneath really helps this orangey colour to stand out a lot more. Then back to a different brush again, you will go in with Strawberry Sweets on the very outer corner. And finally, with the smaller brush, you're going to go in with the colour Danger. And you're going to blend this into your outer corner. Then finally, you're going to go in with the pinky shimmer shade at the top called Pink Champagne. And you're going to put it right in the middle there. I use my finger for this, but only because I don't have a brush that does it well. Now, for eyeliner. I use the Eye Define Liquid Eyeliner by Barry M. Now to make them even. Look! That is as even as they're ever going to be. Now for setting spray. I use the CYO Fixing Spray Set to Last. And it's pretty simple, you just put it all over your face. Now, before it completely dries, you want to curl your eyelashes. Lastly, onto mascara. Same as before, I still use two. First, I use the Maybelline New York Snap Mascara, and then I go in for a second coat with the Rimmel London Wonderfully Real. And here's the final makeup look, and here's the outfit. Tops from New Look, skirts from Primark, shoes from New Look. So that's everything for the video for today, and hopefully for the next one I should have Ryan in it, fingers crossed. So I'll see you then. Bye!